Welcome to Ready Steady Eat with Saloni. I'm your gourmet guru and today I'm going to teach you how to make the very famous Hyderabadi Chicken Biryani. It's a truly royal dish. A lot of people get very intimidated by the thought of making biryani. But today I'm going to teach you a very simple and easy method. I've divided the procedure into 3 stages. The first is marinating the chicken, the second is cooking the rice, and the third is layering the two together and then cooking it. So let's take the rice first. What we do to the rice is nicely wash it and soak it in water for about 30 minutes and keep it aside so that the rice expands and cooks properly. So while the rice is soaking, now we are going to marinate the chicken. Take the chicken in a large bowl and add to this ginger paste, garlic paste, red chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, green cardamom powder, some green chillies, freshly chopped, turmeric powder, melted ghee. Now this keeps the chicken biryani very moist and also the flavor and the aroma. Now we're going to add some yogurt into it. Nicely mix the marinade so that the chicken pieces are well coated with all the spices. And lastly, we're going to add the juice of a lemon. Mix well. 1 cup of fried onions, fresh mint leaves and some coriander. Now mix this well. Now that we've mixed all the ingredients, I'm going to wrap it in a cling wrap and I'm going to put it into the fridge to marinate for about half an hour. The crucial part of making biryani is cooking the rice. This will determine the moisture content in the biryani. I've taken a pot of water which I have put to boil. To this I'm going to add some oil and some salt. Now I'm taking a muslin cloth and I'm adding all the spices to it. The bay leaf, cinnamon stick, peppercorn, cloves, green cardamom, the black cardamom and the mace or the javitri. Then I'm going to make this into a bundle and I'm going to add it to the water. This is going to add a lot of aroma and flavor, and I'm going to add some Shahi Jeera or Caraway seeds. If you don't have Shahi Jeera or the black Jeera, you can use the white Jeera as well. Now I have drained all the water from the rice and I'm going to add it to the hot water. Stir the rice once in a while, but be careful because you don't want to break the grain. You don't need to cook the rice completely. It only has to be done about half cooked because we are going to cook it along with the chicken later when we are going to layer them. If the rice is overcooked, then it will become very sticky when you recook it. Now the rice seems to be done and I'm going to check it. So just take some rice and you will know, and you will just pinch the rice with your nail and you'll get to know that it is a little hard and it's half done. Now I'm going to remove the bundle of spices and I'm going to drain the rice. Now that the rice is done, it's time to take out the chicken and cook the two together. So now I'm going to take the chicken and put it into a cooking pot with its marinade. Spread it evenly at the bottom. Now I'm going to layer half the rice over the chicken. To this I'm going to add some fried onions, some coriander and some mint leaves and some garam masala. Then I'm going to layer the rest of the rice over this for the final layering. Again I'm going to put some onions, some more mint leaves, coriander, garam masala and the two final secret ingredients. This is melted ghee for the moistness. Finally, I'm going to add the saffron that I've soaked in milk. This is already smelling so nice. Just can't wait to eat it. Now light the flame. Cover it with a tight lid so that it gets sealed. If you do not have a very tight lid, you can also cover it with foil. Put your lid so that this becomes tight. The reason why we've covered it so tight is because it creates heat and steam inside the pot. Now put it on low flame, on medium to low flame, and cook it for about 25 to 35 minutes. While this is cooking, I've made some raita, which is made with yogurt, and I've added some vegetables to it, onions, tomatoes, and finely chopped cucumber. I've added some spices and some coriander as well. Now about 30 minutes are over and it's time to check the biryani. So let's open it. Wow, the rice also looks done, absolutely separate, and I'm going to check for the chicken as well. Even the chicken looks done and so moist. And now we're going to plate it. And now I'm going to garnish it with some mint leaves and ready to serve. I hope you try this recipe soon, and don't forget to tell me how it turned out in the comment section below. But before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, and also please do subscribe to our channel for many such yummy recipes. Bye bye.